Good morning, everybody. 9:41, 12 seconds, February 28th. Sorry for the lengthy delay. These past few days with my actual job have been pretty crazy, so my time is limited. As this was filling up, I had a work call. Just got off it now, so I'm going to get this run. I will try to do one more thing, maybe in a short while, but that'll be it for today. I'm just too busy. Again, this is for the Spider-Man 361, 362, 363. Over here were the 15 filled spots. Let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 14. Going to randomize 14 times. Name at the top of the list will get the books. They will ship out tomorrow, which is, I believe, March 1st. Alright, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and here comes the final one. 14, spot 9, Gabe Mason. Congratulations. Time is 9:42 and 20